Having the right tools is important for any job. This is especially true for HVAC work. Good tools help you work better. Good tools also keep you safe. As an HVAC apprentice, you are learning a trade. This means you will need your own set of tools. Having the right tools will help you succeed. Don't be afraid to invest in quality tools. Good tools will last longer. They will also perform better. Remember, your tools are an investment in your future. Choose them wisely and take care of them. Here are some essential tools for HVAC apprentices. Screwdrivers. You will need both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. Different sizes are important to have. Screwdrivers are used for tightening and loosening screws. Wrenches. Adjustable wrenches are very helpful. You will also need a set of hex keys. Wrenches are used for tightening and loosening nuts and bolts. Pliers. Slip joint pliers are good for gripping. Needle nose pliers are good for small spaces. Pliers are used for gripping, bending and cutting. Hammer. A good claw hammer is essential. You will use it for driving nails and removing them. Tape measure. Get a tape measure at least 25 feet long. You will use it to measure distances and materials. Utility knife. A sharp utility knife is essential. You will use it for cutting insulation and stripping wires. Level. A torpedo level is a good size for HVAC work. You will use it to make sure things are level. Safety glasses. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Work gloves. Wear work gloves to protect your hands. These are just a few of the essential tools for HVAC apprentices. As you gain experience, you will add more tools to your collection. Safety is very important when working with HVAC equipment. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris. Wear work gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges. Be careful when using sharp tools like knives and saws. Never use a tool if you're unsure how to use it safely. Ask your supervisor for help. When working with electricity, always turn off the power before working on any equipment. Use caution when working with refrigerants, as they can be harmful if inhaled. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. Having the right tools is essential for a successful HVAC career. Good tools help you work efficiently and safely. They also show that you are a professional. Take care of your tools and keep them organized. A well-maintained toolkit will serve you well throughout your career. Remember, investing in good tools is investing in your future. As you gain experience and knowledge, your tools will be there to help you tackle any job.